Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open Numbers and pick a template or blank sheet. Do that now. Once done, set the document title and the primary formats, number, date, and currency, so calculations behave predictably. Create a header row, freeze it, and assign column types like text, number, and percentage. This prevents later formatting errors. Make sure to save immediately and enable iCloud if you want cross-device access. You'll get consistent results, faster, when formats are defined before you enter bulk data. You construct the core by organizing tables and using clear references, name ranges or use table 1, a notation so formulas stay readable. Then write formulas with built-in functions, sum, average, if, and combine match and index to emulate VLOOKUP behavior. This helps when data isn't left most. Once done, break complex calculations into helper columns for debugging. Make sure to link tables explicitly using equals and table references, and format results with the right number of decimals for presentation and accuracy. You finish by visualizing and sharing. Select ranges, insert the appropriate chart type, and tweak axis labels and formats so the message is clear. Once ready, export to XLSX for Excel compatibility or PDF for distribution, and double-check that exported values and layout match expectations. If things go wrong, like unexpected formula errors, inspect cell formats first, numbers versus text, then use ICERR or stepwise evaluations to locate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.